Kamva and Hlate's fight got physical when Kamva called Hlate a narcissist. Mawethu asked Onga if he liked Chawe, and Chawe is questioning why Onga has not come to visit her in hospital. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So, it's the day of the interview, and Uligamva is preparing to go. Tumega's like, you can't live like this. Let's talk. And then they start talking again, Uhlati. And Uhlati just wants to complain that Lazarus was just humiliating him, showing off with his sons, Eletuba Fumile Apaya, and that was not fair of him to do that. And he's saying that everything they did was intentional. But Kamva says that, you know what, you just couldn't stand that the party was not about you and you had to ruin it and didn't even care about me, good to me and feel kanjani. And Uhlati was like, I couldn't stand ubavumile like being paraded ephethe enye indoda nje pathetic man. Imagine he's calling Lazarus a pathetic man. Ulikamva athi wena narcissist wena emkhomba ngomunwe. Imagine utatakhe Uhlati lost it when he did that and manhandled uKamva wambamba ngamawashini ngamasuti yakhe. I mean boy is prepared to dress up for an interview. Wambamba ngamawashini ezomshobanisana nemahembe akhe and pinned him against the wall. Utumeka had to separate them because it was really heated. And then Uhlati is sitting reevaluating his thoughts. Afike ke uThulani athi ahead ukuba you almost beat up uLikamva. Athi hey sunixelela uThumeka nje kaloku I'm not ready for a lecture. Please let's just go to 3 shots siyophuza. But uThulani was not keen. I think they ended up going there. And then Ukamva goes to see Uzethu, saying that he has booked a hotel for them to celebrate this interview, the job opportunity, and to celebrate themselves. And Uzethu wants to know, good, have you spoken to your father? I don't want to talk about him. Let's not ruin our night. Ukamva says that he has to go to Cosmo first to get his charger. When he gets home, bamlindile go to Mega no Hlati, and they want to talk. Ati Uhlati still wants to talk to him and says, what's wrong now? Because Ukamva was like, no, I'm just getting my charger. I'm going to sleep at the hotel. And Ukamva asked, what's wrong with you? Ati, my problem is your obsession. You don't care about me. You don't care about any of us. It might be it must be the last time Uqawe attends a party, but you don't care about any of that. You had to ruin it for us. Because when you're only obsessed about Bavumile, if something does not have anything to do with Bavumile, awunandaba. Athi wena makuthethe into ongayazi, you know nothing about this situation. Uthini ngepain yami, you don't know about my pain. Do you know how it's like to have your own blood taken away from you, to be robbed of your own blood? Isenemi yakho. Athi and then Ukamva like Ukamva went on and on about when if you acted like my father, maybe I'll treat you like one, because Ukamva was praising Lazarus and that didn't sit well with Hlati. Athi as we are so disrespectful. I hope Ubavumile doesn't grow up to be like you. I hope he grows up to be someone that I can be proud of. Athi kanene Ubavumile will grow up to be a better person, because he would not be rotten like us, because he will not be raised by you. Umntwana okhuliswe wuwe vele ubolile because of who you are. And I hope one day you look yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, why your kids or why your children want to look up to another person as a father and not you. Uhlati aphatheka kabi, like he was just so defeated, nothumeka. And then Uzethu went to see Chawe and they're busy talking. Uzethu Zetas, I wonder if when you get your new heart, uzotanda Onga or Mawethu. And yes, I'm so worried why Onga has not come to see me. Maybe you found out that when I collapsed, I was at Mawethu's house and he's not happy about that. But Zet is like, hey, maybe we're busy. Yes, maybe he's probably busy. And then Umawethu goes to see Onga to apologize to him for going off at him like that, when after the whole Chawe thing, saying that he was just in a bad space, and apologizes that it was not fair of how he spoke to him. And then Onga decides that he's going to send Umawethu to Australia to lead the project, saying that he won't let personal matters affect his opportunities, good at what he does. I wonder if it's because he's good at what he does, or it's because he wants to get him away so he can be left with Uqawe. And then he said he's going to speak to Lazarus and give him the opportunity. And then they have a meeting eKhusela, and they announced Umawethu as the person that's going to go to Australia. And then after that, they also say that Ulandla will also be the one that's going to work with Mawethu on the project. Ulinda was not happy about that. Amazua Sydney, they came back to her because now she sees that no one sees her Kusela, no one values her. And then Mawethu decided that they're going to have a bribe kwakhe and invite Onga. Onga says, okay, fine, I'll come, but I don't drink. So when they're there, Umawethu was asking Onga, Kuba, do you like Kawe or not? And he said that we don't.